The 50 megapixel camera on Vivo Y33s does a really nice job in the day. It kind of magnifies the default image, which is normally at 12.48 megapixel of size. For pictures, you can digital zoom up to 10x, but the quality of image beyond 4x is just okay. The standard photo mode can take reasonable shots with good dynamic range most of the times, and the details of images for closer subjects are really nice. The bokeh mode works good for larger objects, but for small items it may be challenging sometimes. But on the other hand, super macro mode works better than bokeh, and we were able to take some excellent shots with the macro mode. If you find the HDR mode is not working for you sometime, try the pro mode for some more creative shots. There are filters that you can find on almost every Vivo phone, and this phone is not different as well. The day selfies are full with good details, and photo and portrait modes look consistent. The 16 megapixel on the front and rear cameras can shoot up to 1080p videos, and there is no 4K option available unfortunately. But the day video quality is not less than impressive. On videos you can zoom up to 4x. The daylight slow-mo videos are fun to play with. Details and white balance look good on 720p videos that this camera offers. Here are the night samples for you. Vivo Y33s offers a dedicated night mode that works on the front and the rear cameras. Well, there are a few things we liked about this phone. Vivo Y33s is a beautiful and slim device to hold. This is a midday dream color with an embossed agey texture. You can see a very frosty feel here. And the good thing is, it doesn't catch the smudges. The fingerprint scanner works fine. Well, on Antutu, we got 233972 on this phone, which is a little behind Vivo Y53s that scored 243811. For the overall performance, I didn't face any major issue with the phone. The Wi-Fi signal strength works great, and multitasking doesn't seem to put a lot of toll on the phone. The 8GB RAM plus 4GB extended RAM seems to handle everything quite well. I was able to play online games and got a really smooth performance. Y33s 5000 mAh battery and 18-watt charger work reasonably well. Let's charge the battery to see actual charging time of this device. And here we get a 2 hours and 19 minutes recharge time. The phone offers an LCD screen of 6.5 inches. Its brightness level is quite excellent for movies and games. Overall, the content looks contrasty and sharp. You can also change the color intensity from the display setting area. The sound quality from single firing speaker is nothing to complain about. It's enough loud for small to mid-size room to be heard quite clearly. With earphones, you can further amplify the sound quality. After back-to-back video loop, we were able to drain the battery in 12 hours and 49 minutes which is not the best backup time in this league. If you want to take a look at the 5000 mAh battery with longest backup time, you can find the link on the screen. 30 minutes of video shooting can drain 8% battery. A WhatsApp video call and an app like Snack Video can drain 6% battery in 30 minutes on 4G data. On PUBG, we noticed an 18% drain in 1 hour, which is a little on the higher side. That means the phone can die on you in just over 5 hours if you continuously play PUBG. To sum it up, the Helio G80 chipset and 12GB RAM don't disappoint in most of the cases. The screen and the sound quality are impressive, but the battery is a mix of good and average. On the camera front, the phone can give a really good performance in the day. So guys, do let me know in the comments what you think about Vivo Y33s. If you find the video helpful, like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz.